Hello everyone, this video is provided by Megabit Company and you are here with me, teacher Robert. And today we are going to study about mathematics subject. What we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about the decimal places and fractions. What is the decimal places and what is the fraction? But first of all, everybody look at this. This is the decimal. Decimal, what do you think about the decimal? Do you know decimal before? If you don't know, look at this. I have the example. You can see A, point B, C, D. Yes or no? This is the form of decimal. How? This is the example. 1.234. 1.234. This is the decimal. Okay? And next. Decimal 1.456. How many decimal places are there? How many decimal places are there? There are 1, 2, 3. Oh, there are 3 decimal places. How to count the decimal places? Everybody look at this again. This number is 1.456. Okay? And you look at point, the red color. Point, the red color. Okay, after the red color is number 4, 5, and number 6. So we start to count the decimal places from number 4. Okay, number 4 is 1 decimal places. And number 5 is 2 decimal places. And number 6 is 3 decimal places. So there are 3 decimal places. Understand? Okay, look at this more. Number 1.0008. 1.0008. Okay, so I want to ask everybody that how many decimal places are there? Do you think about this number? How many decimal places are there? Let's count from 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, it means this number, there are 4 decimal places. Understand? If you don't understand, let's test again. This number is number 1.0008. So teacher asked that, how many decimal places are there? There are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there are 4 decimal places. Okay, if you don't understand, one more example. Wow, right now you see another color or you see another number. Look at this number, is number 1.000000009. Oh my god, how many zeros are there? Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There are 8 0 and 9. Okay, so I want to ask that how many decimal places are there? There are 9 decimal places. Very good. Who don't understand? Show me your hand. Everybody understand. So right now, do you know this one already? You know this one decimal already, and right now we are going to know about the fractions. What is the fractions? Okay, look at this one. You can see n over d. What is that? Do you know this one? If you don't know, look at this. N is numerator. Everybody say numerator. 1, 2, 3. Numerator. Very good. And D is denominator. Everybody say denominator together. 1, 2, 3. Denominator. Good job. When I say N, you say numerator. When I say N, you say numerator. Very good. When I say D, you say denominator. Oh, so please remember N is up and D is down. Okay, N up, D down, N up and D down. Okay, for make you clear more, look at this number 11 over 13. You can see the difference of color. The first color is blue. Number 11 is blue and number 13 is black. How is the difference? Oh, number 11 is the same color with numerator. So, number 11 is numerator and number 13 is denominator. Very good. And you look at this. Fraction. The first one, blah blah blah. Blah over blah. It's mean blah over 10. This number. Blah over blah blah. It's mean blah over 100. And look at this. How many blank are there? Or how many square are there? I mean that they're down, up have one, okay, and down. How many square are there? There are 3. There are 3. So how many zero we have to put? Okay, so it means that blah 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 over 1000. Oh, okay. If you don't understand, I have another example. Look at this. Number 2 over 10. 2 over 10. Everybody say it together. 2 over 10. 1, 2, 3. 2 over 10. Very good. 57 over 100. Everybody say it together. 57 over 100. 981 over 100. 981 over 100. This number we call fractions. Okay? This is the decimal. When I say decimal, please remember decimal point. When I say decimal, you remember point. If you see point, that number is decimal. Again, decimal point. Okay, and this is fraction. When I say fraction, you say over. Fraction over. Fraction over decimal point. Decimal point. Good job. And the topic today, we are going to study about convert. How to convert decimal to be fraction. Decimal to be fraction. Okay. Step 1, we have to count the decimal places. What is that? Okay. Step 2, we have to write denominator. How? The example. Number 2.15 equal 215 over 100. How to change this number to be the fraction? How to change the decimal number to be the fraction? Okay, look at this. Teacher have 2 part or 2 side. The first side, this is the decimal places, and the second side is fraction. Again, this side is decimal places and this side is fraction. I have the example blah point blah. How to change blah point blah to be fraction? So look at step 1. Remember step 1, count the decimal places. Count the decimal places. Oh, count the decimal places. So how to count? Look at these. Blah point blah. How many decimal places are there? Decimal places is after point. This one. There are only 1. So only 1 is equal blah over 10. Okay, one more. Blah point blah blah. Wow, how many decimal places are there? There are 2 decimal places. It means that equal blah over 100. Okay, and one more. Blah point blah 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 equal blah over 1000. There are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 decimal places equal 0, 1, 2, 3 equal number 0, 3 zeros. Okay, look at this. 1 decimal places equal 1 0. Okay, 2 decimal places equal 2 zeros. 3 decimal places equal 3 zeros. And next, look at this. Blah point blah equal blah over 10. 1 decimal places equals 1 0. Example 0.2 equal. What do you think about how to write a number? For step 2, we have to write the numerator. Yes or no? Yes. So we have to write number 2 first, and then we count how many decimal places are there. There is 1 decimal places. So it means that 2 over 10. 0.2 equal 2 over 10. Okay, and next, how many zeros do we have to put in the decimal? Oh, sorry, how many zeros do we have to put in the denominator? How many zero? The first step, you have to count decimal places. There are 1 and 2. It means that you have to write number 100 blah blah over 100. Example 0.05 equal 5 over 100. Okay, and next one. How many zeros do we have to put in denominator? Look at this. There's 1, 2, and 3. We have to put we have to write number 0 only 1 0? No. 2 0? No. 3 0? Yes, we have to put 3 0. It means that blah over 1000. Example number 0.008 equal 8 over 1000. 8 over 1000. Okay, and next, number 1.5. How many zero we have to put in denominator? What do you think about how many zero we have to put in denominator? This 1 0, it's mean number 10. So this one we write number 1 and 5 first, and after that write over 10. It mean number 1.5 equal 15 over 10. Okay, and next, how about this one? How many zeros do we have to put in denominator? How many zero? There are 2 0. It's equal 100. Okay, the first step, you write all the number first. Write number 3, 2, and number 9. 3, 2, 9, and then over 100. It means that denominator, it means that the decimal places 3.29 equal 329 over 100. Okay, and next one, for make it clear. How many zero do we have to put in denominator? After 0 we have 1, 2, 3. There are 3 decimal places, so we have to put 3 zeros or so. It's equal 100 and 100 over 1000. Very good. So right now, again, 2.34 equal 234 over 100. Oh, very easy, right? And right now, we are going to convert the fraction to be the decimal places. Again, last time we convert the decimal to be fraction, yes or no? And right now we are going to convert the fraction to be the decimal. Okay, look at this. Step 1, count number 0. Step 2, count from back to front. How? Oh, sorry. Step 2, write the whole number, and step 3, count from back to front. 4, write the decimal point. Write the decimal point. How to do this one? Look at this example. Number 215 over 100. Number 215 over 100. How to change it to be the decimal? It's equal to 0.15. Okay, if you want to know, look at this. Fraction and decimal places. So, how many decimal places do we have to put in decimal number? How many decimal places do we have to put in the decimal number? It's equal 1 decimal places because there is only 1 zeros. Okay, count 0 and write number. Example, 2 over 10 equal 0.2. How to be this number? So you can see number 0 and then you write the whole number is number 2 first. Okay, number 2, and after that count from back to the front. How many decimal place we have to count? Only 1 because there is 1 0. Okay, so from number 2 we have to count 1 and put the decimal point and 0. It's equal 0.2. Next example, blah 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 over 100. Blah 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 over 100 equal blah blah blah. So I want to ask you that how many decimal places do we have to put in the decimal number? How many decimal places? Count the number 0. Count number 0 is 1, 2. There are 2 number 0, so we have to put 2 decimal places also. Okay, this is the example. 5 over 100 equal blah blah blah. Step 1, we have to count denominator. 1, 2. Oh, we have to count the 0 number. 1, 2. There are 2 numbers, okay, and then we have to write the whole number. Write number 5 and then count from back to front. 1, 2. We have to count 2 decimal place. 1, 2 and point. Okay, it's equal 0.05. Next example, 1000. Blah 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 over 1000. How many decimal places we have to put in the decimal number? We have to put 3 decimal places. Very good. So it's equal blah point blah blah blah. Example, 8 over 1000 is equal a 0.008. Again, 8 over 1000 equal 0.008. Okay, look at this. This fraction is 3 over 5. I want to change number 3 over 5 to be the decimal places. How to change it? This one is different because look at number 5 Look at number 5. From last time, you can see the denominator is 10,000, or sorry, 10,100,000 and blah blah blah, yes or no? And this is number 5, so we have to change number 5 to be number 10. Oh, so we have to time with number 2. It means 5 times 2 equals 10, and 3 times 2 equals 6. So 3 over 5 equals 6 over 10. So right now you can change it to be the decimal places. How many decimal places are there? How many zeros are there? There is 1 0. So there is only 1 decimal places. It means that you have to write number 6 and count from the back to the front. It's equal 0.6. 0.6. Okay, next number. 21 over 50. The same with the last item. This number is number 50. So we have to change number 50 to be number 100. How to change it to be 100? You have to time with number 2 or so. So it means that 50 times 2 equal 100 and 21 times 2 equal 42. So 21 over 50 equal 42 over 100. And right now you can change this fraction to be the decimal places. So how many zero do we have to change? So we have to change to be the decimal places. There are 2 zeros, so we have to write number 4 and 2 and count from the back to the front. It equal 0.42. And this one, 61 over 500. How to change it to be 10, 100 or 1000? 500, so we have to change it to be number 10, yes or no? No. So we have to change to be 100? No. But we have to change number 500 to be number 1000. How to change 500 to be number 1000? We can times with number 2. 500 times with number 2 is equal 1000, and 61 times 2 is equal 122. So 61 over 500 is equal 122 over 1000. So right now we can change these fractions to be the decimal places. How many zeros are there? There are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 zeros are there, and so we have to write number 1, 2, 2 first. Write number 1, 2, 2 and then count from the back to the front. It will be number 0.122. Okay? If it's okay, let's play the game. Everybody, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 choice. There are 4 choice. The first choice is 0.2. The second choice is 0.02. Third choice is 0.002. And the last one is 0.0002. They are different. So the question is, what is the decimal of 2 over 10? What is the decimal of 2 over 10? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The decimal of 2 over 10 is... what is that? 0.2. Okay. And next one. I have 4 choice again. 0.26, 2.6, 26.6, and 2.66. What is the decimal of 26.100? 26, sorry. What is the decimal of 0 over 100? 26 over 100. Sorry, again. What is the decimal of 26 over 100? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. So right now, step 1, we have to count there. Number 0 first. 1, 2, 2, 0. It means that we have to count 2 decimal places. Step 1, we have to write number 2 and number 6. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Very good. 2 and 6. Oh, this one, bye bye and bye bye. So we have 2 choices. Okay. So 2, 6, and count from the back to the front. Count 2 step. 1 and 2. Oh, it means that 26 over 100 equal 0.26. Okay, this one is correct. And next one. Wow, they're different. The first one, 5111. 5111. Okay, numerator is the same and denominator is different. The first one is 100, 10,000 and 10,000. So the question will be, what is the fractions of 5.111? Very easy. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, time's up. Look at this. Step 1, we have to count 1, 2, 3. There are 3 decimal places. It means that's equal how many zeros are there? There are 3 zeros. Okay, very good. So which one is 3 0? Number 1 is 3? No. Number 2? No. Or number 4? No. But number 3. Okay, this one is correct. One more. Wow. 25, 25, 25. Numerator is the same, is 25, and denominator is different. 100, 1,000, 10, 100, and 10,000. What is the question? The question will be, ta-da! Okay, what is the fractions of 0.25? What is the fractions of 0.25? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, thumbs up. Look at these. How many decimal places are there? There are 2 decimal places. It means that you have to write how many zeros are there. There are 2 zeros. This one is correct, yes or no? No. This one correct? No. Or this one? No. But this one is correct. 2 0 is equal 25 over 100. Oh, very easy. Okay, and right now, everybody look at this. Worksheets. It's time to do the worksheet. There are a lot of part of the worksheet. Look at part number 1. Part number 1, convert the decimal into fraction. Again, convert the decimal into fraction. Number 1 to number 10. There are 10 items equal 10 points. 10 items equal 10 points. Okay? Look at number 1. 0.06 equal blah blah blah. Too easy. Right? This is very easy. Okay, I will tell you a little bit if you don't remember. Okay, 0.06. 0.06. How many decimal places are there? There are 1 and 2. So 2 decimal places, we have to write how many 0? How many 0 for denominator? 1 0 or 2 0? If 2 0 is over 10 or over 100? Okay. Do it by yourself. Try to do it by yourself, okay? And next one, part number 2. Look at part number 2. Convert the fraction into decimal. Oh, very easy. Let's do it. Let's try. Number 1 to number 10. 10 items equal 10 points. 5 over 10 equal blah blah blah. Very easy, okay? And ta-da! Path number 3. Circle the correct answer. Circle the correct answer. Okay? Number 1. What is the decimal of blah blah blah? Oh, very easy. Choose only one answer. Choose only one answer. Choose the answer that's correct. From number 1 to number 10 or so. Okay? I believe that everybody can do it. And today, before we're going to say goodbye, I want everybody show me your hand. Show me your 2 hands, okay? Show me your hands, show me your hands. Where's your hands? Where's your hands? Show me your hands, okay? And say bye-bye song together. 1, 2, 3, go. Bye bye, see you again, hope to see you soon. Bye bye, see you again, hope to see you soon. Bye bye, and say thank you teacher together. 1, 2, 3. Thank you teacher. Okay, goodbye.